Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Zoom, how it's used in our classes, and some things that's going to help you take the most out of your online class. First of all, you're going to have Zoom when you log in. For Zoom, there's going to be some different pictures at the very bottom of the screen. On Zoom, you can turn on and off your microphone and your camera. I recommend keeping your camera and your microphone on in class because it's going to help with you talking to your teachers. Even though we're going to be talking online, seeing each other, talking to each other is going to really help with that communication and that learning. Also, on Zoom, if you're on a Zoom window, right about here, you're going to see two pictures of people, and it's called Manage Participant. Clicking on that will open up the list of everyone in your class. It'll also tell you the name of all your classmates. And if you're like me, who kind of is bad with names, it's going to help you remember your classmates' names too. Next to it, you'll see a little bubble that says chat. Clicking on that is going to open up your chat window so you can send messages to your teacher, to your classmates, and ask questions. These could be open to all classes, to all classmates, or it could be private to your teacher if you have a question you want to just ask them. So when you click on the Manage Participant page, it's going to open up some options for you in class. For example, there's a little button that says Raise Hand. That's a good way to get your teacher's attention. When you click on the Raise Hand option, a little hand will raise within the Zoom box for you, and your teacher will get a message in their ear saying that you have a question. And so if your teacher is having a lesson or talking and you have a quick question, instead of kind of raising your hand or typing a message, you can click on that raise hand function and boop, teacher's going to get a message, see that you have a question and go, oh, how can I help you? And then that's a good way to use this function in Zoom to ask questions. Lastly, sometimes there's going to be what's called a breakout room, where the teacher will make small groups with you and your classmates so you can have discussions and maybe even practice with some grammar together and do a group activity. When this happens, your teacher will make these classes themselves, and then when they open those little breakout rooms, you'll get a message that will pop up on your Zoom window that says, please join the breakout room. Click on OK to go to that private room to work with your classmates. Remember, if you type a message to your teacher or you use that raise hand function, your teacher will still get that message and you can still ask questions. Thank you very much. In our next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about our online classes, the Smart English, and also we'll see an example of those classes too. Thank you.